Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Dell Alienware AW3423DWF versus Dell Alienware AW3225QF. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about screen size. The DWF provided 34 inches screen size and QF provided 32 inches screen size. So WF is better. Now let's look at the resolution. DWF provided 3440 into 1440 ultra wide QSD resolution and QF provided 3840 into 21604K USD resolution. So QF is better. Now let's look at the panel type. DWF provided QLED panel type and QF provided IPS panel type. So DWF is better. Now let's look at the refresh rate. DWF provided 165 SZ native, 120 SZ console mode refresh rate and QF provided 144 SZ refresh rate. So DWF is better. Now let's look at the response time. DWF provided 0.1 ms GTG response time and QF provided 1 ms GTG response time. So DWF is better. Now let's look at the SDR support. DWF provided SDR True Black 400 SDR support and QF provided display SDR 400 SDR support. So DWF is better. Now let's look at the color gamut. DWF provided 99.3% DCI-P3 and QF provided 99% sRGB color gamut. So DWF is better. Now let's look at the adaptive sync. DWF provided AMD FreeSync Premium Pro G-Sync compatible and it is also provided by QF, so both are equal. Now let's look at the brightness. DWF provided 250 nits typical, 1000 nits peak for SDR brightness and QF provided 400 nits typical brightness, so QF is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. DWF provided 2x HDMI, 1x DP, 4x USB 3.2 connectivity and QF provided 2x HDMI, 1x DP, 5x USB 3.2 connectivity, so QF is better. Now let's look at the curvature. DWF provided 1800 R curvature and QF provided flat panel, so DWF is better. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of DWF is generally higher. The estimate price is around $1299 and the price of QF is lower. The estimate price is around $899, so QF is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.